Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to rename files and folders on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. Let us say we wish to rename this file. The same would go for folders. The first method would be to right click on it and select this option, which is for rename. The next option will be to click on it once to select it and press the F2 function key. After this, you will be able to rename this file. The last option will be to click on it once and select it, then press the Alt and Enter key together. When you press the Alt and Enter key together, it will open the properties window and you will be able to rename it here. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.